Hey everyone, so before this video starts, make sure you have the quality set to the highest possible. It looks like YouTube is now favoring big channels when it comes to, high quality autoplay, and us small channels were autoplaying at around 360p, which looks awful. And it sucks because I put a lot of effort into these videos to make them look extra crispy, extra HD just for you. But it also kind of is what it is. YouTube, I've been on this platform for over a decade, and YouTube has always been notorious for making decisions that don't really benefit the creator very much, especially small creators. So it's just, I guess, another hurdle to work around. So yeah, make sure you have that set up correctly so that you can enjoy this adventure as well as all the upcoming adventures in its full HD crispy potential. Let's get to it. Good morning.
Bony hat.
My new crown. Damn. Look at that view. Not bad for a parking. We're ready. Oh. Even my car is not made for this. Off to the next destination. Mike is in front of me, so guess we're following him. Aquí. ¿En dónde?
We got desayunos, breakfast.
Oh, nice. A little cheeky
Like
place.
the good stuff if you want.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sí, dame los 2 huevos fritos con jamón y tostada. No tiene queso, ¿verdad?
Sí, hay queso.
Sin queso.
Ah, que no lo quieres con queso.
Sí, no me gusta el queso.
Espera. 2 huevos, ¿verdad?
Sí.
2.
Lo que dice ahí.
Ok. ¿Y cuánto jamón? ¿Y un jamón? Pero jamón con tostada, ¿eso es el que quieres?
Sí.
Jamón. ¿Algo más?
Sí, todo.
¿Eso es todo?
Yeah.
Sí, ¿a nombre de?
Laura. Today we're going. Where are we going?
We're going on a little hike
Hell yeah.
to find hopefully a waterfall.
Yeah.
Nice waterfall.
A nice little waterfall. I'm excited too. It's been a while since I go to a waterfall. Also, last time I went to a waterfall, it was summer, so it was really hot. This time it's winter, so it's pretty cold, so I don't know how how those waters are gonna be. Bastante cocido. Nice. So yeah, it's gonna be a cold plunge to say the least.
It's Puerto Rico, so it's never that cold, but we are in the mountains, so
I
up
know.
here it feels cooler than in the cities. When you're
Well, if you live here your whole life, it's cold. I'm not used to like 30-degree weather or none of that. So yeah.
It'll be interesting. But it's sunny, so hopefully at least the sun on us will make us feel warm enough to at least dip in there.
Yeah.
Depending how beautiful it is, we might jump in. Let's see.
I'm gonna jump in.
All right, you heard it here. Let's hold her to
Oh,
it.
look.
Tostada, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí.
Con mantequilla.
Un poquito, sí, un poquito. No se preocupe. Y una botellita de agua. Ay, gracias. Okay, the lady really kindly brought this to me. So, let's give it a little taste, shall we? Nice little...
Yeah, that's a typical Puerto Rican panaderia breakfast. It's cheap. It's pretty good. And, it fills you up.
Oh yeah. I'm blessed.
That's right.
Se da tostada. Nice.
Can't go wrong with bread and butter, especially fresh bread.
Ooh, that's steaming.
Hot. Don't burn yourself.
A little bit of ham. I approve. Oh, thank you. Okay, next stop.
Right.
Waterfalls.
Water.
Let's go.
That way.
That way? Okay.
All right. See you there.
Where to now, boss?
Maricao, up that way. That looks like.
We made it to Maricao. Never been here before. I don't even recall ever driving through here, but very green. They seem to like the green here. So yeah, now we just have to find this waterfall. Secluded. Not gonna lie, this area so far is pretty remote, which is good because oh my god, this is literally this is off-roading. Wish me luck. Okay, there we go. I think I did it. Woof. Now the question is, how do we go back? Plot twist, we're going back now because these dirt roads are gnarly.
I think that's only for 4x4s down there, from
Here.
what I'm seeing.
Hold this.
See those skills? You got this. You'll be good.
This is a city car.
It's not too bad yet, but over there it's really inclined. Look at that. She good to go. Somewhere down there's a waterfall that we're gonna find. Look at those mad backwards driving skills.
Well, we did it.
You're a professional backwards driver.
Jeez. That was something. This little thing might be 23 years old, but damn, it's got some life in it.
Brushing your teeth in nature?
Of course. You know, I'm in front of an audience, man. What can I do?
Do it all.
I gotta look good.
You would have let me know. I would have brought my shampoo and
My grandma, every time she would take me to the beach, she would always be like, you gotta shower at the beach. So that then you get home, you don't gotta do nothing. You're already showered.
water shoes or any kind of karate shoes?
You know what? I literally, for Christmas, I got water shoes. Guess where I left them? Home. I left.
Knowing that you're going to waterfalls.
I forgot.
Last time when we went, you didn't have them either. I remember.
No.
That's what. It's just your thing. You like to, rough it out.
I'm late to everything, and I always leave something. Hey, but you know what? Maybe my flip-flops will be enough. So we got about a 10-minute hike to get to this waterfall. What's the waterfall called?
Curet.
Curet.
I think. Yep, Curet.
And what I love so far about it is that there's nobody here. Apparently there's like a cabin that people stay in, but oh man, this is local shit.
Yeah.
This is not a Yunque, rainforest, none of that.
Yeah, it's the middle of nowhere, really.
You guys know I'm an only child. I like things to myself, so.
Well, it's the right place for you, it seems like.
Yeah, I'm very glad we did not go down here.
Yeah. This is for like jeeps.
Like
only.
I'm having trouble walking. I can't imagine my little Camry.
Look at that river. Oh yeah, our cars definitely wouldn't have passed through that river.
That is so pretty. And so clean too. And very cold. Oof. But look how clear that water is. You see straight through.
It's crystal clear. It's so beautiful.
Can you drink this?
Probably, like in an emergency, you could.
Yeah.
But obviously, it could be a little bit, have little sediments and things like that. But there's a catastrophe and there's no other water source. This is pretty clean.
Yeah. So, which way? That way? Here, this way.
Yep. Left that way supposed to be. Yeah, there's nothing. One way. That's a cool video, getting like a Jeep or something passing through the
I know,
river
right?
there.
One of my dream cars used to be a Jeep Cherokee, like the 90s one.
Yeah.
But I like my Toyota. I like having a vintage car.
One day, once you're famous and rich, then you can have like 4 cars. Like
I'll buy you one too.
Thank you.
Yo, there's absolutely nobody here.
We're all that matters.
Hell yeah.
That's actually a great thing. This is amazing.
I love this so far.
It's like peaceful.
It's the last waterfall I went to, Gozarandia, was packed.
Yeah. That's really touristy.
Beautiful place, but very touristy, more than I expected. So I think one of my focuses in 2023 is gonna be to do more local stuff. You know, I tried out the tourism both here and in the United States the last like 8 months, and it's not for me. No, boys and girls. The middle of nowhere is for me.
The path less traveled.
Yeah, exactly. I think we're on that one right now.
I think so.
Okay. I don't know how much you can see it, but those are our cars. If you can't see it, just look for the white dot. That's how far we've come so far. And we still got a little bit left to go. I'm excited though. And I think this hike is definitely making me, it's like warming me up so that then the cold ass water won't be so ass cold.
I think we're getting close. It sounds like it.
Definitely.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah, I gotta step up my TikTok game. Jeez, what am I doing? There's a house over there. It's probably the cabin.
Maybe. That's true.
There's only one way to find out. But the water just goes all the way down. I don't know if we like keep going that way.
It says we gotta go straight and then left. I guess there's a trail along the house.
So now we're going up. Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, see, look. So you gotta go a little more and then we make a left.
Oh,
to here.
yeah. So we're gonna be going
shoot.
up that now. So we just went all the way down to go all the way up.
But we're closer.
Oh, look at these. Wow, I've never seen anything like this. Holy smokes.
Oh, wow, yeah.
I wonder if it's venomous.
Don't wanna.
Does anybody know what kind of plants these are? That is insane. This is like some Avatar shit.
That's, yeah, for real.
I haven't even seen the movie, but
It's like Pandora.
yeah.
Another planet.
And look at these over here. Wow. And it goes all the way up as well. Man, that sound of the water, it's so relaxing. We've reached the cabin in the woods. And there's also a dog roaming around. Hopefully it's not aggressive.
Seemed like a nice.
But if it is, it's okay. I can handle a dog trying to attack me. I've had dogs attack me, so...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I've had dogs since before I was born.
Seems like too lazy to even try to chase us. I think she or he is like.
Yeah, there's babies. Baby chickens.
Oh, nice.
And there's guineas. Huh? Wow, there's all kinds of animals here.
Welcome to Salto Curet.
Oh my god, you're so cute. Hi.
Look at the turkey.
Oh my god.
You see it?
Yeah.
Look how far.
Are they running off a generator here? I think so. I don't think I've ever seen a turkey in my life.
I know. Not like this. Look at all those.
Yeah, even less a ton of them. See, this is the kind of car you need to get here. Oh god.
That'd be interesting living there and you have people walking to the rivers and stuff like this.
They probably don't get them often. Wow, this is so pretty.
Amazing. You ready?
Yeah. Looks like we're gonna be in water moving forward.
Little river walk.
Oh, look at that. There's another house. Oh my, this is actually pretty deep.
Yeah, you're just deeper over there. Come this way.
This is not touristy.
It's the real adventure.
I am a little concerned that it's a dead end and then we have to turn back. Oh god. Good thing I got my hat. Thanks, Bad Bunny. Think dodge those. I didn't even need a machete for that. Okay.
So far so good. Let's see.
Ugh.
Nope.
Dead end.
Dead end.
That's all good. Let's turn back. Oh, butterflies. Oh, well, there is a life lesson here. Don't try and take the shortcut in life, because as we say here in Puerto Rico, Lo barato vale caro. Which means, I don't even know how to say it in English.
What cheap ends up being expensive, basically.
Yeah. Same goes for when you try to avoid challenges and obstacles.
No shortcuts.
You're eventually gonna face them.
No
Don't even try to
shortcuts.
avoid that shit, girl. Huh?
Maybe there's a little shortcut here. Let's see if we learned our lesson.
I mean, I think this is the path, honestly. Look at that. Sometimes when you take the hard way, you'll be surprised with a shortcut that actually works.
Another lesson. Just take every shortcut until you find the right one.
That's true. Well, I don't think you should rely on shortcuts to begin with, but... Okay. Oh, God. Damn, this comes to a little rock climbing, too. Ugh. It's bringing me back to Gozarandia. When I did that, like, hour-long hike with that random dude. Whew.
Yeah, Gozalandia has some hikes that.
Actually, I'm gonna go through here.
done. Be careful.
One of my favorite things about hiking rivers is whenever you take a look back, it looks even prettier. All that you have already hiked and walked or climbed. Okay, but we have a little bit more, and I think I can kind of hear it, the waterfall.
Should be right after those big rocks there.
Yeah.
According to the map, so we're almost there. But be careful. You don't want to
Be careful too.
I know.
It'd be funny if you're the one who falls.
I know.
With the pro shoes. Ooh, nice little hole here. Nice hole there. It's also sprinkling a little bit now. Hopefully it doesn't start raining. It shouldn't though. Oh my God, I thought this was over, but it's just getting started, it seems. Well, after that long rock climb, it seems we've made it. I don't want to jinx it too much, but I mean, it has to be here, right? Okay, let's go. Oh, there it is! Wow! That little sucker was hiding, but we found you. Holy smokes!
We did it.
That is so beautiful! Ah! I almost fell. It was so pretty, I almost fainted. Wow, wow, wee wow. I know I said Gozalandia is like Puerto Rico's hidden paradise, but I'm getting ready to take that back. This might be up there.
I don't know about the hidden part.
This is hidden.
This is the hidden part.
Gozalandia is not hidden. I thought it was.
Paradise. It's beautiful, but it's not hidden.
This, wow, look, it goes all the way up there. Holy shit. Can you imagine like slip and sliding down that whole thing? What are we waiting for? Let's go in.
Go.
Are you kidding me right now? Look at Mike's face. He's like opening his mouth as he records the video. Look at this. Ah! Calm down. Look at this. Man, I'm ready to change the title on that other video. This is hidden paradise. All to ourselves.
Stay like that.
All to our freaking selves. My only child self is very happy right now. 100% satisfied. I'm taking a dip. Ah!
You're about to take a dip.
I know. And you're about to take a dip too if I keep being clumsy. Ignore my hat hair. It's time to take a dip. This water is freezing cold. I am regretting it as we speak, but come on, I have to do it. I have to do it. Ooh, la. Ooh, that is hot. Hot? No, I wish. Shit. That is cold. Oh my God, that is really cold. This is like a cold plunge. I don't know. Here, I think you're gonna have to hold the camera. Okay. I'm actually gonna dive, because holy shit, I'm gonna die.
You gotta act like it's not cold so it looks cool, okay?
It's not cold, what are you talking
For
about?
2 seconds you just gotta be an actor. Hollywood.
Here we go.
Yeah!
My shoe!
Woo! Your shoe. Take them off.
Wow! Pura vida.
Pura vida. This is pura vida. In Puerto Rico.
Forget about tourism. You gotta go to the places nobody goes. We got this shit for free, all to ourselves.
What's better than that?
Holy shit. Ooh. I gotta go all the way there.
Yeah.
Grab my shoes.
Throw them over here.
They float. At least.
Water. Right in the middle. That's a bullseye.
Okay, let's go.
You can do it.
This is safe. There's no preachers in here, right?
I thought I heard the shark, the Jaws theme earlier.
This is deep.
Can you swim?
Yeah.
You'll be alright.
Wow. That is so fresh. Look at this. Whew. Amazing. What a joy. I'm glad to be sharing this with you though. Not no one else. Well, I guess Mike too. I forgot about him for a sec. My friend Ray was probably gonna kill me for saying this, but forget Gozalandia, you gotta come here. It's Sunday. Places like this are usually full, at least the touristy ones. And the thing is, there's places like this all over the island. That was incredible. The sun just came out, so it's perfect because it's so cold. I spent like a couple minutes in there and I came out and my body's numbed from how cold it is. But Mama Earth is blessing me with some heat. What was it that you said that we have to earn it?
Yeah, we had to earn this one. This wasn't just park in the parking lot and go right into the water. We had to hike it, figure it out with the map and everything. It was cool.
So worth it, man. El Yunque is pretty, but this is prettier.
Definitely, everything's unique. You know? It's just special. It's its own private little pool waterfall. Nobody else around.
Nobody else. Yeah, comment below. Do you like these sort of adventures? More river stuff, like waterfalls. I know I do like a lot of beach content, but there's a ton of this here, so I could literally go to a different one like every weekend for like a couple months probably. All right, then I'll keep warming up a little bit and then it's the hike back.
It'll be quicker back than coming.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna vlog it. All right, we're back in the vehicles and this is where Mike and I part ways.
We survived another adventure.
My adventure's not over yet.
That's true.
Yours is though, for now. For now.
For
We got some plans coming up.
Yeah,
So yeah.
A lot more cool stuff that we're gonna get a lot more videos out of, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Inspire more of you guys to go out, do fun stuff, challenge your limits and your fears.
Mm-hmm.
See the world.
Yeah, even if it's 10 minutes away from you, that's still travel.
Go see a creek, a river, a pond, a lake.
Anything. All right, Mike. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That was great.
I'll see you soon.
Yes, take
Have
care.
fun.
You too. Be careful.
Now
Have
it's
fun.
just you and me. Adventure continues though. Let's see where we go next. This, however, 1,000 out of 10. Super recommend. Wow, that actually rhymed. Nice. Let's get back in the Millennium Falcon. Damn, absolutely no service. And I don't even know if I'm going against traffic here or what, but you know what? We're just gonna wing it. Peace out. It's been real. That was amazing. Gosh, I hope I don't have a head-to-head collision. This is like, I love these just windy roads, listening to good music, clearing my head. Kind of wish this was my life constantly, but we're not there yet. Sometimes you gotta practice delaying pleasure a little bit in life so that then you can enjoy things a little bit more, and that's kind of where I am at. I still make my trips, you know, because I really want to make videos and I want to go on adventures and discover new parts of Puerto Rico, but I haven't reached the lifestyle that I truly want yet because I'm working towards building that slowly so that one day I can enjoy a better tomorrow, I guess. Does that make sense? I do have a lot of interesting ideas and plans coming up. Some of them are actually really intimidating, I'm not gonna lie. I am a little bit scared, but you know, I've been scared plenty of times in this channel and I never end up regretting it when I actually go on that adventure. So it's part of the process, man. Sometimes you just gotta do things even if you're afraid, because there's just no other way to conquer it or see the other side. So yeah, enough of my little poetic speech here. Let's get back on the road. Yo, check this out. Friggin' wildfire took out this whole thing. Look at that, it's right here. I've never seen a wildfire up so close. So up close, sorry. It goes all the way there too. Man. There were a little bit of produce over there. Hopefully they didn't lose too much. Wow. Nature, man. Yikes. Anyways, I'm in a little bit of trouble. I'm running low on gas, and I'm like in the middle of nowhere. There are no gas stations. Hopefully it all goes okay.
Well, I just wasted it. Hold on.
Oh no.
I'm like, is
What'd
it
you do
working?
that?
I flushed it.
Hey, say hi. You're back.
Yo, I'm in the toilet.
What?
It's so weird.
You mean you're in the vlog?
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
weird.
in the
Look at
vlog.
how I'm wearing my hat.
There's no water service, so we have to do things here manually. So,
Welcome to El Calentón.
this is what we get for living in Puerto Rico, and it just gets hot.
Oh, is it because of heat? But I've been so cold lately.
I have no idea why they shut it off. But there is no type of, how do you say that? Averia? Which is like, hey, let's shut off the water for a couple of days.
So,
Man.
it's hospitality though.
Welcome to the South.
I'm kidding. I actually brought this burrito from home. It's just now I'm eating it.
The aguacate
And,
is not included.
This is included, sold separately. I brought some donuts too. Let's see what Joel thinks.
Hopefully it's not laced with cyanide or fentanyl. I mean...
It's only laced with love.
Oh, God. I don't know.
How is
No,
it?
it's good.
That's
It's
good because
dense.
it's been in my fridge for like a week.
What?
Obviously, it's been in a container.
But I thought you bought it today.
No. Yo, Joel's just teaching me how to be a Puerto Rican hillbilly.
Yeah. Usually when you hear the neighbors screaming at each other, it's because we don't believe in phones. So you usually hear the old ladies and the old mans just screaming at each other from the side to side. Like all of them have names, but nobody goes by names. They go by
Nicknames.
So you can just hear sometimes, like, if you're gonna bring pasteles or something like that, it's like, ay Dios mío, María del Carmen viene para acá ahorita a traerme los pasteles y flichi flichi.
I love that.
Flichi, flichi. ¡Vete para acá, que se dejó comándole!
I love you. Anyways, we're going out to do some hillbilly activities.
Outdoor activity.
We'll be back, Rainy. We're going to be learning how to make a fire from scratch. Literally. And I'm so excited. People usually pay money to do this sort of thing, right?
Yeah, people pay for bushcraft classes, and I don't know how expensive they can get, but it's. I think that people have been so civilized for so long that they don't. A lot of the skills were lost today because of our commodities due to the technology. So I think knowing how to make a fire from scratch is important, especially during a hurricane or something like that, because se te acabaron los fósforos, like you don't have matches, lighters. Let's say you lost everything, like you gotta keep warm.
Yeah.
Or if you're
Or
a
make
hiker.
food.
Yeah,
Or
exactly.
boil water.
Or boil water,
Some
especially.
nasty water.
Boil water.
If you don't want to pay for these kind of things, just go out in the country and meet a local and they'll teach you.
Here's a spoon I haven't finished. It's still in the making. Let me get out of here. So, this is a tin of fire starters, just in case. The main knife that we'll be using is a Mora.
Now you sit in your little old man chair.
So this is the ferrocium rod, or the fire steel, and it's striker right here.
And you already taught me how to use this
Yeah.
a couple weeks ago.
Basically,
Yeah.
Sharpening. A lot of people add oil. If you're in the woods, just spit on it. I usually grab it, put it against the blade, and I just go in circular motions all throughout one side, and then the other side.
You have to whisper. This is ASMR.
I need long acrylic nails. I guess let's just pick this one. See if we can split it. If we can.
Nice.
It's been a while.
Bet you'll do great.
So try to find see if it balances well, which is very hard to do here.
I have seen a lot of bushcraft videos, so I am not completely clueless as to what is going on right now.
Yeah, you just want to balance it nicely and then try to hit it down the middle. When you do hit it,
Do I have to stay out of the way?
yeah, like when you do hit it, don't. A lot of people want to swing like that. First of
Okay.
all, you don't want your feet in the way, because this is very bad.
Oh no.
Yeah, you want your feet apart.
Apart?
Yeah.
Like if you were in the TSA and you're about to get swept.
Yeah. Like apart, and then you want to come straight down, not inwards. Just
Okay.
straight down. So if anything, if you miss, it'll strike here.
Okay, go ahead.
So I'm gonna give it a go, hopefully, and
Weba! First try!
there you go. Then you split it. There we go. That's good.
So that's what we want.
This is about the size
Oh my
that we
goodness.
want. Yeah.
So that's
So-
a lot of chopping.
That's a lot of chopping.
Okay.
Give it a whirl.
My turn.
Grip it hard.
Okay.
Feet apart.
So like this?
Yeah. all the force downwards, but make sure you line up, you know, central.
Okay, I'm ready.
You know, this is actually a learning opportunity. When that happens, you can obviously reset. You can actually grab the log.
Okay.
You actually grab the log and pull down, not up. Pull down with the X. There you go.
Okay. I hit it a little harder.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I gotta think like a hillbilly. Oh, god damn it. Let me try and... It's almost there.
Yeah, try to. There you go.
Motherfucker!
Yeah.
What I'm talking about. What?
You actually did split it in two.
Is that like a big bad bitch?
Yeah. That's awesome.
I'm a cool bitch, not a bad bitch.
Didn't hurt you though, right? Because I saw that.
That thing flew into my face and I closed my eyes. I was like, oh my god.
It fell on your foot. I was like, ow, that's gotta hurt.
No, it fell on my leg. It scratched me up a little bit.
Okay.
Well, a wood massacre later. I did chop a couple more. We're now prepping the sticks and sawing them for the fire.
I'm a little bit lazy. You're supposed to like cut them up a little bit more and then step on them to break them in half. But I just want to do it like this. I don't know why it's easier for me.
Wait.
Perfect. Now you take that piece and you split it again.
That's the...
Yeah, one of those or the same one that you had. This is the same one,
It
yeah.
has to be that thin.
Yeah. Like pencils.
Like chopsticks.
Yeah, like chopsticks, like pencil size, something like that. Asthma.
Asper. Okay. I could kill somebody with this. Whoop. Okay. Here's Joel's little fire pit.
This is where I come to relax, boil a cup of tea. Put one right here. Actually, put that one too, facing this side. These little logs can go back here. Like so. We're gonna start our fire here. Once these catch fire, then we can start adding the thicker boys.
These chickens are going crazy.
That's what they do. Actually, wait till before going to bed. Annoy everybody.
Okay, now it's time to finally light the fire. So we can finally get that tea going and watching the sunset. Hopefully, if the clouds let us, but yeah, let's do
You
it.
do the honors.
I'll do the honors. After all that hard work while you just sat and watched.
Yeah, kind of did. Well, I'm the teacher, so.
Yeah, okay. Here's my phone. Because we're also making a TikTok.
Okay.
Got the firewood ready to go. Damn. This is tricky. Let's go por encima.
Not yet.
Oh shit, no! Shit! I fired!
Keep adding leaves.
My first fire! How did the castaway guy do?
Fire!
Fire!
My fire!
Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I love it. It smells so good.
All you just do is hover them up like that. Oh, it's still recording on this stuff. I don't think I got a good shot at the end.
It's okay.
You keep hovering over them.
Oh no, why does it look like it's dying?
Sometimes it dies out and you have to start over,
Oh
but
no.
That's okay.
Come on, fire. There you go, I revived it.
Yeah. Let's put some leaves first. Give it that little quick flash tinder.
Man, my first fire. How would you say I did?
You did good. You did good. You actually got it really quick because a lot of the stuff here is a little damp.
Wow, it's actually... Oh wait, now it's weak again? This fire's a little bipolar. Okay, Joel has brought the camping selection, even though we're in a backyard.
Yeah, we got the tea.
Hey, travel is everywhere, even in your own backyard.
Oh yeah.
You'll be surprised. You'll find things you've never seen in your own house.
It's actually
Nice.
that is for you.
Oh, thank you. ¿Y tú? Oh, that's a sign. You gotta go get a chair.
No, I'm good. I got this.
Anyways, we got the tea selection.
The spilt tea section. We got the chai. We got organic English breakfast.
Oh, there's Joel's dad with Joel's dog going on their evening hike.
They're both senior citizens. The dog is very old.
By the way, an update on my fire. It's looking great.
Looking good.
Okay.
Organic peppermint. We got organic Earl Grey. Fancy schmancy, never heard of these. And we got organic white tea.
White tea?
So racist. So yeah, let's get...
I'll have whichever. I'll have something I've never tried before.
Okay, you pick whichever you want.
Just let me see.
Yeah, just go ahead and pick your favorite there. I'm going with just chai.
I'll have peppermint.
Peppermint?
Because it's always Christmas in my book.
Peppermint tea.
Oh shoot. That fire has an attitude.
Everybody was literally like this over the fire, and my lips were purple, my nose was red. I was like, this fucking sucks.
Alright, here we go. My little tea. The water's almost ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump it in here. There you go. I'm ready.
Let me put this here.
Nice. Okay, here's my tea. Made in actual fire. I hope you can actually see this. Actually, you know what? Let me just... There it is. Very cool. Let's try it. Okay. Let's cheer. Cheers.
Oh,
well,
wait.
it's probably too hot, is it, right?
Yeah, too hot for trying right now, but let's
Well, cheers.
cheers. Let's try it.
It's not that hot.
Not bad. Not bad. I like it.
That's fresh. The thing is, it's not really cold here, so it's like we're like hot and sweaty right
Yeah.
now. But it's still wonderful. The sun is a little bit shy. The clouds kind of...
Yeah, it wouldn't have
Kept
made
it
a
from us.
difference if we had gone to Rincon. It wouldn't have been made a difference.
Yeah. You know what? I didn't get a sunset, but I got tea and a fire. Come on.
That you made yourself.
Partly.
Well, I mean, I just helped.
No,
but-
you just watched. I did all the work.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
You did start it too. Which that's the hardest part. might I add.
This is just the beginning. City girl is turning outdoorsy girl now. Just wait. When have I not fulfilled a promise? Tell me. Come on. Man, it doesn't get better than this.
Heck no.
Amazing.
Comforting.
So fresh.
This one's very comforting. It's very wholesome.
Yeah. Well, well, well. My time with Joel has come to an end. And, yeah, let's just say Joel's been prepping me for a couple things for some upcoming adventures. Maybe you'll know what it is, maybe not. I kind of hope you don't, because then that way it'll be more of a surprise. But unfortunately, my time with Joel has come to an end. That is the sad part. This is the happy part. But yeah, he's literally recording this. Like, it's been such a great day. Like, I had so much fun just building that
thank
fire,
you for coming, dude.
having
Really.
tea.
Oh, the tea was the best part. It was so
And he
delicious.
made me. I know, it was amazing,
It was
right?
really
It was really good. And he just made me a coffee for the road because.
Cubano.
Un café cubano, ya tú sabes.
Wow.
Oye, because I usually have, I get sleepy on the way back home, which I'm about to go now.
Yeah.
So, better be safe than sorry. Even though I might have an anxiety attack because caffeine is really strong on me. But anyways.
Stay tuned, guys,
Stay tuned.
because adventures are coming.
Make sure, get out of your house,
All right,
go
that's
explore.
true.
But if you can't, don't worry, because I will take you.
Oh, snap. Nice,
Um,
nice.
So yeah, get to it. Thank you, Joel, for everything.
You're
And
Thanks for stopping by.
everybody, go follow him. He has a YouTube channel, and he's been saying he's gonna upload some bushcraft videos.
Yeah, I'll get to that.
I literally beat you to it today.
Yeah, true. Hey, don't give it away.
I beat you to it today.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I
I haven't
mean,
given anything away. That
I'll get
rhymed.
to it. I'm actually missing some tools. Once the tools get here, because I broke mine a month ago.
Yeah.
So once the tool gets here, I'm gonna start carving and I'm start making bushcraft videos, making nice fires. Some, what do you call that? ASMR?
ASMR.
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 Kind of like ASMR, bushcraft style. No talking, just enjoy.
You could upload the one you just
nature.
showed me. It was so cool.
Oh, that's true. Well, it's on.
Short.
It's live on my Instagram too. So if you
Put it also on the YouTube.
on YouTube,
Yeah.
you know,
Why not?
I think I will.
So go follow Joel. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. So
Catch you guys later.
see you next week. Remember, get out of your house.
Go
Go
explore.
Okay.
Later.
Bye bye.